Hello everyone. In this video I will show you which code you need to write if you want to get some data from user for inserting into the application. We will insert three types of data: the string, integer and number. Let's start NetBeans IDE. Let's make the new project of the first. We can choose Java Vedant and Java application template, and we will click next button. You can choose the project location and the name of the project. I will type inserting data for the project name and then click the finish. You can find the newly created project on the left side in the tab projects, and I will double click on the file, and this file will be shown on the right. You can insert the cursor on the main method into the class named inserting data. The first things I will need to do is to define the data which I want to insert in my application. I will insert the first string data, for instance name. The second data will be type of int, and I will be name this data like int number. And the third variable will be type for double. I need some object class of scanner. I must import that class. I choose structure with input stream and type system in. The first things I need to do is send message to user and note to him what he need to do. The users must be informed which value he need to type. For instance, I will type enter your name. This is the type of string, and I will use the preview created object named of scanner. Then I will type dot. You can see the method of the scanner object. You can type next method or next line method. This method will be return the name which users was typed into the standard input. I will show you this. I will build our application and start the project. This is standard input. I will type some names. To show this name on the standard output, I must type command system.out.println. And I will repeat this building application and starting this application. The next I will show you how to enter integer data. For instance, the age of the users. I'll copy this three line of code and change it. When I type scanner, then type dot and choose the method the next int. This method return int type of data. And then I will build application and run this application. And the third, I will enter double type of data. Let's copy this. We will need to change this method. If you want to enter double number, you must type next double. Okay, I will build application and then run this application. Next. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.